This is how I make red bean curry. Super delicious but easy to make. Soak kidney beans overnight and drain the water. In a pot, heat up oil and ghee, 2 tablespoons each, and fry some onion until golden brown. Add ginger garlic paste, cook for a minute, then add all the spices I have listed above. Toast it for a few seconds, then add chopped tomatoes and bell peppers. Cook it until the tomatoes are soft. Pop in some potatoes, add soaked beans and salt. I add the potatoes early so that it can sort of melt and make the gravy thick and delicious. I am adding some water now. When it reduces, I will add some more. Cook until the beans are soft, adjust the consistency of the gravy, and finish it off with some coriander leaves. Serve with rice or eat as it is.